Lindsey, you got 4 minutes on your main course.
I've just got to dish up everything. All the elements are done. I just need to put it on a plate now.
Right.
Pan-fried duck breast and deep-fried chicken livers with cherry and port sauce, parsnip puree, roasted potatoes, shallots and cavolo nero.
It's a lot, probably too much.
Right, you got about 60 seconds now, Lindsey.
I'm worried about her getting it out on time and doing everything to a quality that she's happy with.
Right, this is actually officially time up.
Right.
Come on, let's go. Breathing like Darth Vader.
You're lucky I'm breathing at all.
We're now 2 over.
Giving yourself too much here, haven't you?
3 minutes over, that's all. Do take a breath, all right? Do you know what won't work? You fainting on the table in there. Let's go, let's go. Take a breath. It's a nice-looking dish. Come on, off you go. Go on, Lindsey, it looks lovely. Smile at them.
Hello. Firstly, I'll apologise for being slightly over.
It's all right.
It's all right.
I have served you pan-fried duck with crispy chicken livers and a cherry and port sauce. Enjoy.
Thank
you. I think of all the things we've eaten today, this one looks the best.
There's something really strange about this meat. I'm not entirely sure.
I totally disagree. I think the only thing this dish really needs is salt. And the roast potatoes are great.
Look.
It's really soft.
Who complains about soft meat?
I don't know,
Would you
I'm not
prefer it to
eating
be
it.
chewy?
I don't
Would you
know.
rather have duck jerky? What's wrong with you two?
Nice, soft, really well-cooked duck. Lovely sweet puree, good sweet sauce, crispy potatoes. Get in there, the Lins.
I'd like the whole thing to be seasoned just a little bit more. Saying that, it's the dish of the day.
15 minutes now for your soufflé, your biscuit, and your ice berries and white chocolate sauce. Have you put sugar in there already?
Yeah, no, I've messed it up. I've gone and put the sugar in before I put the raspberry in.
Right, so what do you do?
I need some more eggs.
Is everything else ready to go?
Everything else is ready to go.
I think doing a soufflé on MasterChef is actually quite brave.
Dangerous. Very dangerous, but awesome if she does it.
Oh, too high.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to move it down.
Do you know what they call this?
Panic.
Correct. It smells good, Lindsey.
Thank you, John.
Are they ready?
They look good to me.
They're about 4 foot high. Look at them. Go, Lindsey! You're done, right? Very, 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 very impressive. Lindsey, you're our new MasterChef hero. Off you go. Go.
I've made for you a raspberry soufflé with iced berries, hot white chocolate sauce, and a shortbread biscuit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
It's not sinking. A very accomplished soufflé.
Really light, really sweet, big raspberry flavor. It's great.
The girl done good.
That lady gives herself far too much to do, puts herself under far too much pressure. However, she is a decent cook.